the Edifier TWS6. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Edifier TWS6 earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and various sizes of ear wings and ear tips. The TWS6 features 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX codec, and CVC for noise reduction. It uses Knowles balanced armature drivers. It has touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case is very slim and it has a glossy finish. This comes in black or white, and it's plastic all around. It has an Apple AirPods case resemblance to it. On the top, you have the branding. And on the back, you'll find the pairing button. The bottom of the case has a USB-C charge port and status LED. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it uses magnets. Earbuds are also held into place by magnets, and they're easy to remove from the case. As mentioned earlier, the case has wireless charging, and here it is on the charger. You can see it charge. The earbuds are very small in size compared to the TWS5. It's plastic all around, and on the inside you have the ear indicator markings. You also have the touch control on the outer face. Each of the earbuds feature touch control, LED, microphone, interchangeable ear wings, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. Navigating the playback and call controls is just a matter of tapping a few times to get the desired function. And here they are side by side. The case comes in at 2.5 by 0.8 by 2.2 inches. It weighs in at 47 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier TWS6 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked pretty well during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. And the pairing process was instant. I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Edifier TWS6 earbuds, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were comfortable and the overall fitment was good. The assortment of ear tips along with the ear wings gave them a secure, tight fit. They are very light and small, and at times you don't even feel like you have them on. Touch controls were a plus since they don't add additional pressure into your ears when navigating. They also had no issues staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. One thing you will notice is that the case does attract a lot of fingerprints due to the glossy finish. The earbuds have a slim profile so they don't protrude out as much. I like the fact that it has wireless charging and battery life is respectable, coming in at 8 hours and 32 total with the case. It would have been nice to see some app integration for further customization. When it comes to sound, the TWS6 I feel is more focused on clarity. You won't get the heavy deep bass with these earbuds, unlike the TWS5 where bass is definitely prominent. Where these excel are the mids and highs. You get good separation. Vocals and instruments really stand out and are clean and clear, and you may have picked up some of the detail in the samples. It is more forward and leans more on the bright sound signature. Overall, Edifier has come out with another pair that focuses more on clarity. It has a small portable design that can be used for casual listening and workouts. So that is my review of the Edifier TWS6 earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.